Creating a public profile on Snapchat allows you to share your content with a broader audience and engage more effectively with your followers. And here's how you can set it up. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat application and sign in or log in to your account. Before creating a public profile on Snapchat, ensure that you meet the following criteria. That is, your age must be at least 18 years old and your Snapchat account should be at least 24 hours old. You need to have at least one friend who has added you back, and your account must adhere to the Snapchat community guidelines. If you meet these requirements, you can proceed to create your public profile. Now open your Snapchat and then tap on your Bitmoji or the profile icon in the top left corner of your screen to open your profile, and then navigate to the public profile that is beside My Account section, and then tap on OK to create a public profile easily. Now from this page, you can add a profile picture to your Snapchat public profile. You can also click on the gear icon in the top right corner and then edit your profile by updating your profile picture, your bio, location, and you can also choose to show your follower count publicly. Then go through other settings in this page and you'll be done. So this was all about it. This is how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.